Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Acura TLX. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sunroof, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, power moonroof, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
When purchasing an Acura certified pre-owned vehicle, you can expect the same uncompromising standards of a brand new Acura. The Acura dealership technicians ensure that every vehicle upholds the luxury and sophistication of the Acura name. Acura certified pre-owned. Once an Acura, always an Acura.